Hello again, this is Robert Veach here. This is my video review of the Buyer's Point brand, their recessed power strip, ETL certified, which is what you want for something that's electrical. It's a furniture recessed outlet with USB-A, USB-C, and two outlets at a 6-foot cable with a round plug, flush mount. Now this gets great customer ratings, and it's also rated at 12 amps, 125 volts, 60 hertz, 1500 watts, and the output right here on the port is rated 5 volts, 2 amps. So you can see right what it's got: the USB-A, USB-C, two outlets, and there's safety circuitry in here, which is built right in. And you can also see that it is UL listed right there, which is great. These are really excellent to have. You're going to put into a table or something. They're just really good. This 6-foot long cord, see, it's a US grounded plug, and it's nice and flat, heavy duty to handle that current in there. So we're going to test out these ports and give this thing a test, but it allows you to streamline something on your desk and minimize some of your cables, because when you mount this flush, all you're going to see is this top part right here have a nice flush recessed with minimal offset on there. This is also fire resistant material. That's part of the UL listing on here, so you have to worry about anything catching fire, which is really nice. And those ports are going to allow easy access. And this is about 5 inches by 1.75. Just be careful when you cut out your slot for it, and you should be all set. After observing a little closely, you can see that there are little plastic nylon covers that protect from anything going in the outlet for safety. So keep that in mind when you plug it in. You got to push those covers out of the way, and then it plugs in fine. So here's just a little example. I have a USB-A transformer plugged in, powering that clock right there. Then I'm using the USB-C to power my Pixel 6 right there. Now if I wanted to unplug this, see, the clock turns off, and then I can plug this in right here, and then the clock turns on using that port. So it's very effective of getting 2 USB ports, A and C, and 2 outlets in a recessed fashion in a table. So after testing, what do I think about the Buyer's Point brand, the recessed power strip? Really nice product. How could you go wrong? You got something that has got USB-A-C, 2 AC outlets, handles 12 amps, UL certified, and this nice 6-foot long grounded plug. Really well built product, and it's also fireproof materials and safety circuitry in there, as I mentioned. Highly recommend this so that you can put it in a table, in a cabinet, anywhere you want to have some safe power and USB-A and USB-C. So I'm going to give this product a full 5-star rating. Please remember to hit the subscribe button and the bell icon to be alerted to new video uploads. And if you thought this review was helpful, please hit the like button. There'll be an ordering link in the information section of this video review. Please use that link when you order this product to help support this channel. I hope this video review helped you with your buying decision. Thank you for watching.